Hey there everyone, welcome back to iTech Explore. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a fun and engaging maze in Canva. If you're a mom who wants to help your kids improve their focus and problem-solving skills, this is perfect for you. And if you're a teacher looking for creative and interactive activities for your students, you'll love how easy this is to make. Now let's get started. First, you need to log into canva.com. So if you haven't logged in yet, you need to log in using your Google account. From here, we're going to create a design right here and choose an A4 document or a custom size if you're preparing any worksheets. A4 is just right here. Next, we need to go to Elements, search right here, Maze. We have here some graphics that we can choose. Insert right here. Yeah, but we don't have a ready answer key for this. If you want to have a ready-made answer key for this, then go to Apps. Just type in the search bar, Maze. We have here an application that can give us a maze. All right, it's right here. Add to our design or adjust this one. This is what I like it. Adjust the number of columns. That is the least number of columns, 20. And we can go right until 100. If you want to make it a little bit harder, so adjust the columns to higher number. And if you want it simpler, then adjust it to the least. Okay, but if this is for kids, we might opt to have the lesser numbers. We can adjust the raw. So just like that. Yes. All right, so I think this will be all good. And let's add to design. You can also have some styles here like blocky and walled. So that's it. Maybe we can choose the bordered one. And then ready to add design. Okay, it's just right here. Let's just make it a little bit bigger to fit into our paper. If you look at here, we want our paper to be occupied. Let's just change that one. Let's increase the number of rows. Okay, I think this is good. All right. I think this is all good. You can also add some elements right here. For example, kid. Okay, you can put it there. Like you're going to make a story of that the kid is going to the beach. And then search for beach. Yeah, just right here. See all graphics. Here. Yes. Put it there. And you can put something that is needed for the beach. For example, a towel. Towel. Yes. And there you go. Sunscreen. Beach. All right. This is like you're going to create a story, not just a plain maze. We can add a text here. And let's say Lenny's family is going to the beach. Help her collect. the items going there. There. Okay, so just like this, through this one, um, the, the student will be challenged to collect these items and they're going to go for the correct path in the maze. And for that, add name, make it a little bit bigger. And, okay. So we say if this is in school, you can add worksheet number one. Number one. All right. So do not waste your time to trace these maze manually because especially if we're going to change the difficulty to a higher level, it could also take time for you to trace the maze. So through Canva, you can easily get an answer key for whatever number of columns you want to make. Let's just show solution here. So it's just right here. Yeah, you can download this one as well. Yeah, but do not give it to your student, of course. Just give it yourself so you can easily check the work of the student. Okay, there you go. So if you think this video helps, then please give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to keep updated for my new uploads. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye!